Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to another edition of AwesomeCallsTrading.com. I'm AJ. I am your host for the next 8 to 9 minutes. Just want to kind of go over briefly what we did today. It was an incredible day of day trading, as always, in our great room. A lot of great trades that we did today, lots of setups that we did today. It was fun. I had a blast, and I'll show you what we did in here. The first stock that we did today. Well, let's go into one of the most amazing calls today was APLS. This was our trade of the day. Yesterday was AXSM, and today it was APLS. And on this one, it was a wonderful trade. They met a primary endpoint on a phase 3 study, but after doing the review and reading analyst comments this morning, we made the decision in our room that the stock was be valued around $35 to $37 a share. And we felt very strongly the stock would sell off its 20-point gap up from 30 to 50 to 35, bottom curl and long it. And actually, it would grind out most of the day. And that's how we traded it. So I'll show you the setup. It was all written here. I told everyone watch for the quick pop at open to 42, scale in short, and then take it down to 35 to 37. 35 would be the bottom, and that was the price target. A lot of traders came in here and did what they did. Unfortunately, I did not have shorts myself, and I could not short it, so I had to play the long side at the open and then the long on the 35 level. So I will show you that stock, and you could see the gap up right here, as everyone can see. And obviously 50 would have been amazing, but nobody could really trade it. I think this started at 4 o'clock. 4 in the morning. Yeah, you could have traded it, but I know Janny pre-market did short it up for this 49, 48 level and did take it down and walk it down. For us as day traders, I called for a 42 pop at the open on it, and then a scale in short to 35, and as you can see, 35 bottomed out perfectly, and then right back up. City came in. Dave the trader gave us an alert at City right here, popped a little bit for a buck or two. They are prepared to do an offering. My guess is they'll do about 150 million offering at around $35 a share. So I do expect that next coming days, and I'm normally pretty much 90% right on these things, so they trade out perfectly. The next stock that we did today was a stock called APOP. This one, just the news itself, the event told us it was a short. And Barcelona can't meet demand. Impossible can't meet demand. Wow. Positive for beyond. Okay, we just got an alert from Adam. The great news. Uh, let's see. Impossible Burger can't meet demand on MCD burgers. Positive for Beyond Meats. So you might get a little pop on that. But thank you very much, Adam. APOP. This was a short. We called it in the morning at around 7.50 to $8. We called it the stock would go down to 4 to 4.50 and then grind out. After reading the news in the PR this morning, we felt very strongly this would be a value of 4 to 4.50, and it was just an update on something, and we just weren't impressed. The next stock that we did today was INPX. This is for, again, traders that are new or watching this video. I have a lot of small cap traders that love $5, $7 stocks, that love to short all day faders with size 5, 6, 7,000 shares that make $5,000 to $10,000 a day in here. If you have 500 or 1,000 shares and you take our calls, you'll make $500 to $1,000 on these calls. I know what the stocks are going to do. I know how they're going to react. I know how they're going to trade out. I've been doing this for 16 years, and today was just no different. So today, INPX was gapping up. I said watch the pop to 9, then a quick chase to 10, scale in short. The stock will fade to $6 and under. No hands, no questions, no ands, ifs, or buts. It is a $6 and under stock. It will unfortunately take all day to do. You need to be aware of that. And so if you came in our room, I want you to look at what INPX is doing. Again, it's not about hanging fruits and falling bridges and falling trees and death zones and makeup zones and zones of all over the world. It's a reverse split with news after the fact. Bam. Pop at the open, scale in short, and slam it to 6. It's right now $6.52. In the next 20 minutes, you'll probably see 6. And we're done with the trade. Next, probably the next few days, it'll come right back down to 3 anyway. I mean, it's a short seller's dream in here to be in our room, I'll tell you. on small cap, and you can make a fortune in here. 5,000 shares, 3 points, 15 grand. You're done with 45,000 buying power. All you have to do is know where the stock's going to go before it goes there. Next stock we did was Apache. Apache did a significant discovery of oil this morning. Stock was sitting at 29 on a gap up, about $4 from yesterday's close. I felt the stock would probably run to 32 before we see any kind of short selling kick in. If you started at 32, added at 32.50, at 32.25, it did come down to 31.60. But the stock is going to probably stay up there for today. It'll probably start selling off the next couple days, probably, and come down probably that 30 level and 29 level and be done with that. But the stock was good for us. You could have took this with size. Institutions were buying this with big volume, and this took it up all the way to 32 a share. I did call 32 a share on the stock. The next one I did was TDD. This was an amazing trade today for us again. Today showed me that it has range. I love TDD. And today I said that the stock would pull at the open. I wanted the stock to pop at the open to 281 to 282. Then I wanted the stock to pull at the open. After it popped, I wanted the initial pop, and then I wanted to sell it off to 275 and under, bottom curl, go long, and the stock ran up to 285 a share. So you could have got 4 to 5 on the downside, and you could have got 285 to the upside for a 10-point move. So that was a really nice trade there. Well done, well executed, understood it completely. Great trade today was Tesla. Again, Tesla was our baby. I love this call, love this trade. I set this up for everyone in the chat room. I was looking for Tesla to pull down at the open to 453 to 455 to go long. They opened up. Not only did they open up their plant, but they're starting to build the cars for early deliveries. And this is significant for Tesla, hence why the stock is running. So the setup was basically pop at the open to 462, scale in short, take it down. And we did call 453 to 455, go long, bottom curl, and walk it up. I want you to look at the significance of this call, how we wrote it on Tesla right here. Tesla 453 to 455 and go long, and it'll go right back up. I wanted this stock to have room to $465 today once I got that bottom curl. So I want you to look closely. And here's 453, 455, long the stock. All day move to the upside, and it hit 471. 465 was right here. It's just been a magnificent trade over the last couple of days. Let's hope it gaps up again tomorrow. Another stock we did today was MU. I think this one went up a little bit higher than I expected. Oh, no, GH. I apologize. GH. MU was a long, and GH was a long. This was a great trade today. This was a wonderful execution. Also, the great fire trader had on his list. Incredible day trader he is, to say the least. And he had this on his list. I saw it. I also liked it. It was gapping up, as you can see, from 79 to 79.80. Wasn't gapping up too much. So I wanted a quick pop at the open. Scale in short, I wanted to come down and gap fill this to 79.25 and under. As you can see, it hit 78.25, bottom curl, and long to 82 a share. It hit 82 a share right there in approximately 90 minutes of work. Actually, 6:30, 7:30, 2 hours of work. We were able to get 82 a share, and then it hit 83, and it went up a little bit more. Had a nice analyst call upgrade, and I'll show you how that worked. And here's the call, GH, right here. GH would be a small pop at the open to 81, scale in short, back down to 79.25 and under, right there. And then bottom curl and go to $82. And slow move to the upside, and it certainly did. 82 a share right there, and hit 83. Great trade if you took it. And just to go to show you how a live alert works in our chat room, Adam gave the alert in the chat room right here at 81.80. Adam took 2,000 shares long, and the stock has run almost 2 points. He's up 4 grand. He's letting the chat room right now know on the side. He's taking some on the way up. Again, the alert was at 8:38. I'm sorry, at 3:33. So let's look at the timeline, which is 12:30 here, 12:33, right there, right there. So this is his long. right? He alerted, he typed it, took a position, typed it, and he said he's going long the stock. It's positive for Beyond Meats. The alert was Impossible Burger can't meet demand on McDonald's hamburgers. Okay? Positive for Beyond Meats. That's what he wrote. Now the stock is running. He put 1,000 in. He's moving up. 2,000 shares. It's already up 2. And my guess is it'll probably hit 85 a share on Beyond Meats. Okay? Now, another stock he gave us today, what we're going to do a chart on is MRTX. This is his baby. He called out this morning. I want you to take a look at it. This one sold off on some negative news. He caught it. He caught some more of the short side, but he mostly longed it, and he told traders he was looking for 105 to 107 on the bounce, and that's exactly what the stock did. He went long around the 97 range, and he took it all the way up just under 107 for a 10-point trade. He gave that live in the room this morning. Adam is an incredible day trader. He's also a moderator in our room. It's an honor to have him every day, and he just gave you Beyond Meats, so that was nice, easy money there. All right, traders, and so earnings season has begun. We're going to start to trickle out a few, and hey, it has begun. It has begun. And look, keep an eye on the APLS after hours. See if they do the offering today. If not, watch out for the next 48 hours. Thank you for trading with us. If you want to trade with us tomorrow, all you got to do is click the button. Boom, you're in. It's $6.75 a day for a month. It's an amazing room to be in. Very grateful, very happy, very honored. The amount of traders that just succeed every day in our great room. And you can see my reviews are posted almost every single day in the chat room and from traders from all around the world. And I'm honored, and new ones keep coming in. And hey, we're changing the face of game trading, of trading stocks, that's for sure. Okay, so thank you so much, and God bless. I'll see you all tomorrow. Take care, and I am AJ Trader. This is my profile page. Awesome calls, and these are our notes. I do post them in when I take my break around 9 o'clock, so you can all see them, which is 12 o'clock on the East Coast. And you can see, and none of this, all this is written before the market opens. And I get about 5 to 10 minutes before the bell rings to tell everyone to get saddled up and get ready to take positions. A lot of traders already take positions when they start taking short here, start logging here before the bell, and then they get those pops. And I mean, these are just incredible trades. Great setups and lots of points. We usually trade around, I would say on an average, about 100 to 150 points a day in our chat room. My notes today got 100% accuracy from the traders in the room. I'm graded every day and reviewed every day. And today I earned 100% price target on each of my calls. I hope to trade with you tomorrow. Okay? Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.